In this video, we are trying to understand how the date and time function can be worked with NumPy. So NumPy is a numerical library and it can able to work with date and time also. So let's try to understand how it actually works. So import NumPy as NP. Okay. So if you get such message in Google Chrome, just terminate some of the connections. Okay. Import NumPy as NP, and I'm just checking today's date using NumPy. Okay. Today's date is 18/10/2020. I can check out the delta 64. Okay, day 164. Let's try to understand what is the meaning of that. The second one is 2D or 1D, and this function we are going to use in the next one. Okay, so this is day 1. This is the 2 days. Okay, suppose you want to check the yesterday, so it will be 2 day minus 1 day. This 1 day. Okay, you want to check day before yesterday, that will be 2 day minus 2 day. 2 day function what we have written over here. Okay. You want to check for the tomorrow, 2 day plus 1 day. Day after tomorrow, 2 day plus 2 day. Okay. You want to go to the particular year and check out all the dates of that. That is also possible. July, full July month we are checking. You can just count out how many days are there in the February 2020. That is 29 days because it's a leap year. You can just find out the start and end time. Okay, so you can see the 2020 day number 6. Okay, that is June is a month and day is a 3. And I'm just checking the hours, 0 hours, 1 hour, 2 hour, and up to 24, 23 hours. So 0 to 23 is 24 hours. Okay, I can just check out how many Sundays are there. Okay, the first Sunday of 2020. Okay, first Sunday of 2020. I can just find out the weekdays in February 2020. So there are 20 weekdays. So these are the operations which are useful for date and time function with